So I was cleaning my 4.3 liter Volvo Penta out. Here's the motor right here. And you can see this is the thermostat housing. But I just cleaned the crap out of it, but it was completely, and I mean guys, the thermostat sits right there. It was completely corroded to crud. And I want to make this video because, so if it's in the boat, that's how it sits, right up there in that orientation. Water will go out these two, this one and that one, out the rise. So this is how it works. Your water is pumped up into here by your impeller pump in this hole right here, and then it goes in to the big hole. So it goes, and if you kind of follow the video, it's going to go in through this hole, in there, and then back down this one to your circulation pump, or your actual water pump that's on the motor. So you have your impeller, which pushes water or sucks water up from the lake or the sea or whatever in there, and then it goes in and out this thing. Now, then it goes in your engine, and then the water pump, and I just dropped it, but the water pump is going to push water, or try to push water, just like any other water pump, up this hole. And once the temperature gets hot enough, that thermostat's going to open. Now, my thermostat was stuck closed, which is why I'm doing this. Also, this, I should notice, this temperature sensor right here is the emergency temperature sensor. So your boat, or at least on this one, 2001 4.3 liter carbureted, it has the emergency sensor here. Now, sometimes, first off, I'm doing this because I want to get it clean, but I want to make this video and show you all that I was just putting the hose up and flushing this out, and I was washing all the air coil off. This is what I was using to clean it. The proper way to clean this is to use a electrolysis machine to get all the rust to come off. And I just took a little metal brush like that, and I just am brushing the crap out of this because I really don't want to buy a new one. And you know, I just wanted to clean this up. But I was taking a hose and putting it on all these holes, and if you notice here, if your impeller grenades, it's going to push water up here back into this hole, right? Because that's where the water is pushed up into the thermostat housing from the impeller. And I was putting my hand in here, and if you can see, it's a little difficult to see. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to show you, but there is actually a piece right there of, so water wasn't coming out of this hole right here, this hole right here. No water was coming out. And so I was like, why isn't water coming out? Water should all be coming out. All the holes are open, right? There's a piece of impeller lodged in there. See that little black thing? And so I'm glad I took this off. I'm glad I'm cleaning it. And I have an OEM thermostat coming from Wholesale Marine online. And I just want to show this because that's going to stop water from circulating throughout your engine right here. Water goes in this hole, back down, and I've already explained that, but that's going to, so at some point the impeller in here is grenaded. I also have that coming in the mail. So I'm going to get that done. I flushed out all the lines. You're going to want to take a hose, wash out all those lines in there. That way you know that your cooling system's working. See how I have all those hoses off? That's the exhaust. Here's the other exhaust. And then you have one there. I think that comes up from the impeller. And then I have the bigger one that goes to the circulation pump hanging down there. Okay? I hope this helps someone out there.